Okay, you guys asked about seeing how to use the place value disk to show division, and so I'm going to use the same problem. I think we used this one earlier, 564 divided by 3. So I went ahead and notice I kind of spread them out, so it's going to be easier to do that little box method thing. So with my place value disk, I've built 564, and I'm going to start dividing by 3, and I'm going to scoot these over, I'm going to start with the hundreds place. Okay, so I have 5 hundreds. I need to divide it into 3. So I'm going to do 3 groups. So I'll put a group there, a group here, and a group right there. But then I have these 2 left over, and I can't split them into 3 groups. So what I have to do is make an exchange. So I need 10 tens for this and 10 tens for this. So here is 5. 10. So that exchange for that one. And then 5. 10, which exchanges for this one. Okay, so now I'm sitting here with 26. So let me go up there and do that mathematically up here. So what I did was I started with 500s, split it into 3 groups. I was able to get 1 into each group, okay, which means I used 3 of them, and then I had 2 left over. So then I took the 2 that were left over, 2 hundreds, and I exchanged them for 20 tens. So when I bring this 2 now up here into the tens place, I have 26 tens, which is very obvious right there. Okay, so now I'm going to take that 26 and I'm going to divide that by 3. So put 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, another 3, another 3, another 3. And then, okay, so what I did was I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. I was able to get 8 into each group. So I have 100 and I have 8 tens so far in each of my 3 groups. So, but then you see these 2 tens that are left over. Again, the way they are, I can't split them. So what I need to do is make an exchange. So for this 10, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Nope, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. So that exchanged for that one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 exchanges for that one. Okay, so those are exchanged. So now I have, if you see this, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, plus the original 4 that were there is 24. So up here, I'm going to do the math. I was able to put 8 into each group for a total of 8, 16, 24. That left 2. Those were 2 tens. I then exchanged those 2 tens for 21s, which means I now have 24 ones. So now when I take those and I divide those by 3, and I was able to do that split evenly, of course, because 24 divided by 3 is 8. So I was able to put 8 in each group there. I was able to use all 24 of them, and I have none left over. So let me move this out the way so you can see the way that looked that way. And when you look at our groups here, sorry, the camera just went crazy, but I have 100, 2, 4, 6, 8 tens, 2, 4, 6, 8 ones, 188, which is my answer.